Welcome to Vegan Finds, where we're going to turn this into this Hearts of Palm Carnitas tacos. So welcome to our show. We are back with another taco-esque recipe, and we're going to take this Hearts of Palm spaghetti and turn it into carnitas. I know you're thinking, how are you going to do that? Well, we're basically going to use the same spice ingredients that you would traditionally in a carnitas. We got some orange here, which we're going to squeeze to get the juice out of. Some cumin. We're going to throw in some oregano, some garlic, some lime, and basically cook the Hearts of Palm in those juices. And then right before we're ready to plate it up with some tortillas, we are going to hit it in a hot skillet to crisp up the edges. So first thing I'm going to do is drain our Hearts of Palm, get it into our pan, and get this cooking. So in my pot I've got 2 cans of the Hearts of Palm spaghetti, and you can see it's basically shredded like spaghetti. If you can't find the spaghetti, you can easily use regular Hearts of Palm and just shred it. It's not going to look like this, but it actually probably would look a lot more like a carnitas meat would, because it's going to have different textures in it. So I'm just going to squeeze this orange here, like so.
You know why you're using that?
What?
You know why you're using the shredded Hearts of Palm?
Why am I using the shredded Hearts of Palm?
Because I felt like being lazy.
Doris felt like being lazy. She's so lazy, I'm actually doing the cooking tonight. She did it the last 2, so I figure, why the heck not? I'll do my part for a change. She's been good about the cooking. So here we go. Squeeze this in. Get as much of it as you can. I actually popped this in the microwave for 30 seconds to loosen up the juice cells as they were. Can you give me like a cup of water? I got 2 bay leaves. Those are going in. You know what? I'm going to need to microwave this lime. The limes have been really dry. I don't know if anybody else has had this issue, but they've been super duper dry. I'm going to add a cup of water. Actually, I'm not going to add it. Well, you know what? I'm going to add the full cup.
Did you rinse the Hearts of Palm?
I did rinse the Hearts of Palm. I'm not a Neanderthal.
I think that's up there a bit.
Adding in a teaspoon of dried oregano, teaspoon of cumin. My lime has beeped, so it's ready. And be careful. Do not microwave these for longer than 30 seconds at a clip, because
They'll explode?
well, when you cut it, they could definitely jet out some very hot liquid. Okay, so we're gonna get our lime juice in here, like so. And you can see how much juice comes out when you microwave these suckers. It's a lot of juice right there. Ow, and it's hot. Burnt my hand, burnt my hand. Okay, and one last ingredient before we put this on the stove to cook and simmer for, I'm going to say, about 20-25 minutes.
Did you put some chili powder in there?
I didn't put chili powder in there. You want me to put chili powder in there?
I thought it was going to be hot.
I didn't say it was going to be hot. I got a little Mexican Hoya. No, this is, I'm sorry, I'm getting confused with my Mexican spices here. I got a little epazote, which is going to go in there. And since Doris wants it hot, we're going to add some chili powder.
What makes it red then?
Doris was distracting me. I almost forgot the onion. I'm just gonna, this was a very large onion. I'm just gonna cut it into eighths here. You know, she's trying to change things up on me, so I'm gonna modify the recipe here a little bit. I'm just, because this is not a lot, I'm just gonna use half of that big onion, and I'm just gonna smash up some garlic cloves here. Oops. Well, there's one that's smashed. I'll go pick up the other two. So I'm adding about a teaspoon of chili powder, and we're going to turn this on and let it cook for 20 minutes. I'm just going to give it a good stir. Okay, so I'm going to stir this up. Get the flavors all to blend in a little bit. We'll let this simmer for a good 20 minutes. I've said that a couple times now. And once it's back, we're going to drain this. We're going to reserve the liquid because I'm going to reduce it down a bit, and then finish off our carnitas. We're going to throw in some avocado, a little tomato, and we'll be all set with some delicious tacos. Be back when this is ready to go.
So I just informed Stuart that it's not hot enough. So I'm adding some of the original hot garlic from Caldo. Give that a...
Probably.
Think I'm gonna need more?
Yeah, there's a lot of... I don't know how hot that is. Compared to the other evening.
I don't know.
Ooh, that's spicy. Maybe just a little bit more.
Okay. I'm gonna add another like capful. Okay. Like I said, it just wasn't spicy enough. I know, maybe carnitas is not supposed to be spicy. I don't know, I've never eaten it before. But this is spice up your taco meat.
Right. The Transformer tacos.
I think that's done.
Okay.
I mean...
It definitely looks done.
Seems cooked. I don't know.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pot off the thing here, and I'm going to basically drain our hearts of palm. Jeez. I've caught whatever Doris has.
Brain eating worm or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm gonna basically reduce the liquid in the pot, providing I don't do this without burning my fingers off, which is always a distinct possibility. I'm just gonna reduce the... Oh, there we go. So you can see our pot is empty because I left the camera rolling. So I'm just going to get the last bits of this out, put it into our little thing here. And the one nice thing about using the induction pan, the handles do not get hot, so you can actually handle the pot. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that to a boil.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I still have steps.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, okay, so I'm boiling the liquid. We're going to reduce this down a little bit, and that's going to add, we're going to add it back into our carnitas once they're ready to be put onto the taco. Okay, so to finish off our little carnitas, I'm going to take a taco space full, and we're just going to let it dry out just a teeny tiny bit. You can see my fancy spatula here.
Shut up.
It's got a pistol grip.
You're an asshole.
Give it a quick turn. And we just hit it with a little bit of that. We get our nice tortilla. Pop that right in the middle there. Like that. Gonna add a little bit of some Parmella cheddar cheese on there, some fresh tomato. We're gonna plate these up. We'll show you the finished product shortly. Okay, so here are our tacos. We got our avocado on there. Gonna hit it with a little bit of this Parmella cheddar cheese as well, because why not? And we're gonna touch it off with a little bit of cilantro as well, because nothing says Mexican like a little bit of cilantro. So there you have it. Hearts of Palm Carnitas tacos. So if you like these recipes, please click subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. We'll see you tomorrow with another great recipe.